Greetings, River Lady here, and it's time for that long-awaited Season 2 finale of Hydrangea 911. And it's time to put our little hydrangea to bed. I've been remiss in taking care of my hydrangeas. The snowstorm that we got on October 30th, which dumped some heavy snow on my plants, threw me for a loop. But as you can see, let me go back here a little, and you can see there's one of my Endless Summer originals. The stems bounced back, my grasses bounced back, so everybody came back from the heavy snow. However, the 2 nights in the low 20s that followed the snow did a number on the leaves of the plants. Lately, the weather's been really good. High 70s during the day, 50s and 60s at night. It's lulled me into a false sense of security, and it's also lulled my hydrangeas into a false sense of security. I swear they think that we've moved to Zone 7 because I'm starting to see new growth coming up from the new wood and growth on the old wood, and that's not supposed to be happening. They're going to be in for a very sorry surprise when the weather does return to what's normal for this zone, which is Zone 6. So the first thing I have to do is I have to get in and remove those oak leaves that are at the base of the plant. I want to get rid of that waterproof mat the oak leaves create. Let's get in there and get rid of those leaves. In all the years that I've been gardening, this is the first time I've seen something like this happening in November. I have growth coming from the new wood. That's not supposed to be happening. You can see those little buds, and I have buds opening up on the old wood. Up here, the terminal buds are getting green. The warm weather that we've been having has definitely made these plants think, I guess winter's over. Let's bloom. This is very funky indeed. And as I've gone around and checked my other hydrangeas, they're doing the same thing. Everybody thinks it's spring. It's not. It's only November. We still have to get through December and January and February. Okay, I'm getting excited. I don't want to lose these buds. These are my flowers for next year. Calm down, River Lady. Next step is I'm going to wrap the plant and then put some salt marsh hay around her. But first, I want to put some salt marsh hay at the base of the plant. It's easier to do that before I wrap it so that I can get in there and tuck it around those tender buds. Next step, I'm going to wrap the plant, and then I will tuck some more salt marsh hay in its little cage. And there you have it. So little hydrangea is wrapped and ready for winter. We have all that new growth coming up. I hope I don't lose any buds because I would really like to see what color this plant is so we can help decide what type of mop head it is. All right, little guy, that's it. Season finale, Season 2, Hydrangea 911. It's a wrap. I thank you for watching, and check back in the spring for the new season of Hydrangea 911. This is River Lady saying, happy gardening.